very important.
So far, we haven't had any breakdowns with the new boats, but we do have one that the pump sounds super rough. So we take that apart when we get back. So
just make sure everything's clean. Put some lubricant in it. And
some fogger? No, you said dielectric grease, right?
No. Dielectric connection for here.
Okay.
Yeah, for this one, just regular lubricant.
Like what?
Like a WD-40.
Okay.
And when you put it back, you put some waterproof grease around here so the water does not go in easily.
Okay. And is there anything else you just needs a little bit?
If there's any corrosion, like a salt deposits or any kind of, just clean it up with a brush. Make sure it's clean.
Okay.
Yeah, this people.
Doesn't have much range of motion.
So the motor is controlling it this way.
How is it? Is that right?
I think it's upside down, is it? No?
Yeah.
That looks more like no?
Go look on the other boat.
That's right, I think.
That looks right.
I need to do that on all my boats.
I'm going to go back and do it.
Soon.
We work it out with places so we feel just won't spawn.